Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to see Glassdoor reviews without signing up. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have this Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. Basically, we have the community as the first option, where you can go and click on posts and add some new posts. You can also go and search for some conversations and other people's posts. We have jobs, where you can go and find your perfect job and your desired location. So that's pretty easy if you want to do. You have companies, where you can find a workplace that works for you. So you can discover what an employer is really like before you make your next move. So if you have an employer in mind, you can search for a company down here and click search. We have salaries, where as you can see, are you paid fairly? Find out. So basically you can go and click on salaries here, type your job title, location, and see if you're rightly paid. In the top right corner, we have profile. We also have job activity, contribution, settings, help center, and sign up option. But now guys, let's see how to see Glassdoor reviews without signing up. Well guys, unfortunately, you cannot do this or anything without signing up. Glassdoor is a website that where you need to be signed in to do actions like this. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.